Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is online and the Gmail app is installed. Tap the Gmail icon to open it. Once done, you'll see either a sign-in screen or your inbox. If prompted, choose Add Account and select Google. You will enter your email and password and accept permissions. Make sure to use the correct Google account. This determines which mail appears. If you have two-factor enabled, prepare your code or authenticator because you'll need it to complete sign. Once signed in, you'll configure how Gmail syncs and notifies you. Tap Settings, choose your account, and adjust Sync Gmail so messages download automatically. This saves you from manual refresh. Then set notification preferences, everything, high priority or none, so you only get the alerts you want. Make sure inbox type is comfortable, default priority or classic. If you use multiple accounts, repeat the setup. These choices affect battery and data usage, so balance immediacy versus conservation based on your needs. You're ready to open mail. Tap Inbox to load messages, pull down to refresh, and swipe to archive or delete. Compose replies with the pencil icon and attach files using the paperclip. If messages don't appear, first confirm network and then pull to refresh. Make sure sync is still enabled. If problems persist, clear the Gmail app cache, update the app, or remove and re-add your account to force a fresh sync. One key tip: check battery or data saver modes. They often block background sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.